Dubai's rental yields below 5%, the impact on the market. Despite what most brokers say, rental yields in many of Dubai's best apartment areas are already at or below 5% net, and they're not going up. Why? Because a lot of apartments are being handed over on time or even early. 187,000 apartments have been launched in Dubai in just the last 3 years. Why is 5% so important? It's because the bank's interest rates are about the same. So you could just leave your money in the bank, earn similar interest hassle-free, and stay fully liquid. It's not a big problem if price per square foot is rising at the same time. For example, if your property goes up 10% per year and you earn a 4% net rental yield, that's still okay. But let's look at what's actually happening. Prices are remaining flat. Now you can check this yourself on DXB Interact if you click apartments and then trends. This is Dubai Hills. Now I live here. There's little price change in the last 12 months. You can actually see the price is exactly the same over an 11-month period. It's the same story in Creek Harbour, downtown. Now, I really like these places and it's still where I would buy for a long-term hold. Now we're seeing a lot of off-plan apartments being sold at the same price per square foot as completed ones. And the completed prices aren't rising and yields are at or below 5% in these areas. So what's next? I think investors will start selling because they're not getting the rental yields they want, or their returns they're seeing are too low, and we'll see the price per square foot start to flatline or even falling, especially over the next 6 to 18 months as a lot of apartments are handing over. Now, what about the prime areas? Places like Dubai Hills, Downtown Creek, City Walk, I think they'll hold up better and they're more desirable to live in. But even in those areas with so much supply, rent prices won't keep rising like they were before. They'll probably stay flat. That means that tenants don't need to rent in less desirable areas like JVC anymore, and they're going to be able to afford these better areas. Owners in those low demand communities may have to sell at a loss or drop rent significantly, which brings down the value in those areas. I don't think apartments and villas should be grouped together. There's still an undersupply of villas. There's just not enough being built. My concern is apartment decline and then people panic about the wider market, even though villas are a totally different story.